When dependency injection breaks, your code becomes unmaintainable fast. Dependency injection lets us supply dependencies from outside to reduce coupling, making code testable and flexible. Developers adopt it to improve maintainability and reuse. Here's a bad example. A service receives too many dependencies, causing bloated constructor and unclear responsibilities. This design fails because of tight coupling and constructor bloat. Each added dependency increases complexity, making testing and maintenance harder. Refactor by splitting responsibilities and using composition. Each class depends only on what it truly needs. This approach succeeds by enforcing single responsibility and reducing coupling. It enables easier testing and clearer object relationships. Use interfaces and small abstractions to allow flexible swapping of dependencies without changing consumers. Keep one responsibility per class, use small focused interfaces, and prefer composition over inheritance to avoid DI pitfalls. Ignoring proper DI design leads to high maintenance risk and fragile code that breaks easily as projects grow. Remember to name responsibilities clearly, hide what changes, and compose behavior to keep dependencies manageable.